way we look at it is it's a journey, and for our customers, we need to be there with them in terms of their journey. So the more we know about their business, we can custom tailor solutions to meet their needs, not just provide them a product that we think they need. We're giving them what they want.
So it's kind of a package deal. In order to enable the adoption of low GWP refrigerants, there also has to be a lubricant that works along with those two. And so that's where we come in at CPI, is that we're helping to develop the lubricants that can be used to allow our customers to be able to implement the low GWP refrigerants.
Low GWP refrigerants offer a myriad of challenges, some of which are obvious and some of which are not obvious. One of the obvious examples is they're not the same as the old refrigerants, so they have different physical properties. And those properties can be challenging. For instance, some of them are very flammable, so that becomes a challenge just to work with them. Some of them are not very stable. That becomes a challenge to stabilize them. Some of them are very high pressure, so you have to deal with the high pressure differential of the previous refrigerants. And all of those things create their own set of variables and challenges that we have to deal with.
And so we use that expertise, that technical knowledge we've had over the years and years of navigating previous challenges like this, and being able to pass it on to our customers and being able to provide that technical support that they need so that they can make the best decisions for themselves about what the appropriate changes are that they can make with their equipment.
CPI really puts a lot of effort and time into maintaining reliability into our supply base, whether it's a raw material supply position, external manufacturing partner, or our own internal manufacturing capabilities. We apply the same rigor and logic to it, where we define operations plans, we share best practices across the system, we hold them to high expectations, and then we track and review key metrics along the way to make sure that the performance goals are always met.
If anything, over the course of the pandemic, logistics is tough sometimes, and being where or closer to your customer is important. So that's part of that value chain and service that we offer to our customer. We truly are a global company.
When there were supply chain problems, supply chain shortages, raw material shortages, hard goods shortages, we generally are agile enough to jump to another product, do something else. Again, it's not ideal, but we are keeping our customers satisfied and getting the volumes that we need out the door.
So some of those challenges compounded, we had to use up inventory throughout our system in order to buffer all the delays behind it. And it's because of that, we face those challenges, and the system is fragile, but robust. We created a system that has multiple layers of protection in it that allows for these incidents to come and go and still supply the customer reliably time and time again.
Technology and sustainability. That's important to our customers. It's important to us. We've been here since the start, and we'll be here in the long haul as well.
It's not just the standard tests that people use. We can also think out of the box, because we have resources from all disciplines that whatever question you come to us with, believe it or not, Lubrizol will have an expert in that area that can facilitate the answer.
We have plenty of resources and plenty of space. We're all excited to help with the movement towards a more sustainable product.
There's just a great deal of satisfaction that comes from helping a customer make a decision that's right for them and being able to support them through that change.
CPI has been leading the market forward for 50 years. We look forward to the next changes that are coming and leading the market forward yet again.